Oh my God, look at this. Blair, what does this feel like? Is this cold?
Wait.
It feels like spaghetti.
Are those guts?
Yeah, we call this pumpkin guts. You see the... Oh, okay. Gonna lift it out. Yay! Look at that! Our track tester, Blair. How does it work, Blair? Does it work? Yay! Pumpkin tunnel!
Welcome to Liam's Train Time.
Today on Liam's Train Time, we're gonna show you how we made this pumpkin tunnel for our brio wooden trains. Are you guys ready?
Yeah.
Yes, we have our tools. We are ready to go. The goal of today is to carve a tunnel into the pumpkin so we can send our trains through it. So this bridge is gonna help us measure where we need to start our hole for the tunnel. Make sure you have an adult able to help you carve your pumpkin because we're gonna use some very sharp tools to cut a hole in the pumpkin. We're gonna cut a hole in the top, and then when we open it up, there's gonna be all these pumpkin guts that we have to scoop out. I'm gonna carve a little notch, and this will help us figure out how the top is gonna fit on the pumpkin. Cut this open. I'm so excited too, you guys. Okay, so we hit a little notch. Do you smell the pumpkin already? Now, you don't really have to be too perfect.
I don't smell the pumpkin yet.
No?
These were all baby.
You guys, we've hit... Yeah, you want to open it? Gonna need some... Yeah, you're gonna need some... There you go. There you go. Use two hands. It's okay if your hands get pumpkin on it. Just... Yep. Oh my God, look at this. You guys. Blair, look at the inside of this pumpkin. You want to touch it?
No.
It's gooey guts. Ooh,
But
okay.
what about, what is that string thing?
The stringy stuff, that's just the pumpkin guts. That's like this fibrous material inside the pumpkin. Guys, do you know what these little white things are? What are they?
They're guts?
No, what are these white things?
I don't know.
These are pumpkin seeds.
Oh, forgot.
Yeah, you can pick these off. We can put them in the oven. We can roast them. I'll do a few scoops, and then you're gonna do it, okay?
Maya do it?
And then you're gonna do it. So on this tool, you have these little perforated edges. This is gonna help us grab all the guts from around the sides of the pumpkin. And you're basically gonna scoop it, almost like you're brushing hair. You're brushing like a horse's hair or your hair. You're gonna scoop the insides, and then when it's all scooped, you lift it out. Oh my God, and then we have these guts, and we're gonna put it into the bowl. Yeah, you're gonna use that. Good job, Liam. Whoa, look at that. Good job. Yep, give Liam one more shot, and then Blair will go. So you wanna hold the pumpkin with one hand. There you go.
I'm trying to get this out.
There you go. Nice, dude.
Yeah, little one.
Okay, hey Blair, your turn. Good job, Blair.
Not do it.
It's okay. I know, it feels weird. It's a weird sensation. Gotta put some pressure. There you go. Good job, Blair. There we go. Do you guys know why we carve pumpkins on Halloween? You don't know? That's okay. Carving pumpkins was an Irish tradition to ward off evil spirits, specifically someone named Jack. And so that's why we call them jack-o'-lanterns. But now, over time, for Halloween, we carve these pumpkins mostly for decoration and for fun. Are we having fun?
Yeah.
Yeah. So what we want to do here is pretty much carve the inside to look just like this. We've removed all the guts, all the seeds. Very good, Blair. Yep. And we're just gonna clean it up. And now this is good. Blair, what does this feel like? Is this cold?
Wait.
It feels like spaghetti.
Are those guts?
Yeah, we call this pumpkin guts.
Are there any other kinds of guts?
No, just pumpkin guts. And seeds. You guys did such a good job helping me carve this pumpkin. This is where a grown-up needs to step in. We're gonna carve our pumpkin tunnel in here, okay? And then we're gonna cut a hole on the opposite side to make a tunnel. And then one of the sides, we'll put a face on it. So this is where the bridge is gonna come entering the pumpkin, which is fine because this is gonna be the bottom. So we're just gonna mark off the bottom. Oh, perfect. Okay, so I'm just gonna cut up here. This is the bottom where the
This is your tree.
thing's gonna be, the bridge is gonna be, and then we're just gonna go up and do like a tunnel opening, just like that.
Yay.
You smell the pumpkin? What does it smell like?
Like smells like pumpkin flowers.
Pumpkin flowers. See the, oh, okay. Now lift it out. Yay! Look at that! Bless you. There you go. Okay, Blair, you want to lift this one up? Lift it up. Slimy and gross, I know. Oh my goodness. So I just have to cut this side down a little more because it's raised right here. But you guys, this is so cool.
That's the pumpkin tunnel.
Now we put our track in. Our track tester, Blair. How does it work, Blair? Does it work? Yay! Pumpkin tunnel! You want to carve a face?
Yeah.
Okay.
You're almost there.
Almost there. Our pumpkin tunnel looks so good. Oh, let's put a light inside. Ooh, look at that pumpkin tunnel. Does it work, Blair?
Yeah.
It does? Wow. You guys, we did such a good job with our pumpkin tunnel. This looks so good. Now we can build a big track.